What's up guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make a crochet braids. It's a beginner friendly tutorial on how you can achieve crochet braids, so stick around. Let's get right to the video. Alright, the first thing, which is the basic thing to do, is to do a normal weaving. But we are not just going to do all through weaving. There are some steps and tricks to this weaving, so I'm going to just do a single weaving at the corner, which is the first thing. Move it downward. Once I weave it downward, I'm going to secure it a little bit and keep. Now the next thing is just to section the back and also do a weaving. So once I approach the end, I'm going to join the other one together and weave. This is how it should be. So I'm going to keep this and start again with. This one is also another separate weaving in a different corner. What I'm going to do to this weaving is to join the two together. Please note that this method is my own way of doing a crochet weaving or a crochet braid. There are so many ways, there are so many methods, and this is the one I choose to show you guys a simple way you can achieve this. At this time, I'm going to weave together and also take the first weaving I did at the back and weave it together. So the end result of these, I'm going to just have a one single braid that is coming out. And decide whether to use needle and thread to secure it or do a folding method. I'm doing a folding method. And this is how it looks like from the front, and also this is the back. This is how it looks. Next is to use my crochet to put it into the weaving, open it and take the braid and pull it out. Now there is opening here. Put the braid inside the opening and secure it tight. I'm going to be doing this repeatedly. If you didn't get this one, you will probably get the next one or the next one. So enjoy this video. I'll be doing this crochet method at the front line first before I move over to the back and center. Keep watching. When you are doing it at the front part, you are going to do it closely so it looks compacted. Now at the back part, what I'm going to do is also make sure that the corner everywhere is closely crocheted, everywhere is tight. You're not going to be seeing the weaving. For the weaving at the back, I'm also going to use my crochet hook and do a normal crochet, which is open the hook and take my waist and do the normal crochet. But what I'm going to do is to make sure that everywhere is closely packed. We're not going to be seeing the weaving. That's the goal. So guys, I'm done, and this is how the back looks like, and also this is how the corner looks like. Everywhere is closely packed. You can pack it to any style of your choice. Tell me what you think about this, and see you in my next video. Bye.